Alright, good morning. Let's have some coffee. Black coffee. So refreshing. And I have some bread. Minsan lang yung makisama ng cellphone. Yan. I have some bread from so 1.5. Ayan. Sausaw natin. Sabi nga, malinis daw tayong mga Pinoy. So, ayan. Sausaw muna bago kain. Sarap.